So this is how you can use Semrush for keyword research. Maybe you want to open up a website or a business and you want to use keywords in order to bring your business out there or advertise better. This website is the perfect website for you. So how do we actually use Semrush? Well, I am right here in the semrush.com website and this is the dashboard. What we're going to want to look at is the keyword magic tool. So let's go ahead and open that up. And so here you can type a specific keyword. You have to make sure that the keyword is in your niche or what kind of business you're running. So let's say you have a business in phones. Well, simply type phone or new phones. It can be whatever. I'm just gonna type phone to make it very basic. So basically, the whole point of SEMrush is to find you clients better because it helps you find the perfect keywords to advertise your website, and better keywords means more clients and more attraction to your business. So as you can see, here are a list of keywords pertaining to phone, to the phone keyword that we added over here. And so what do these statistics actually mean? Well, I'm going to go through them one by one. There's intent, volume, KD, CPC, SF, and updated. So starting with keyword, this is where the list of specific keywords there are pertaining to the phone keyword. And right next to that is intent. Now, there are four types of intent. As you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and open up another tab. And here are the four intents that we have: navigational, informational, commercial investigation, and transactional. So, the very first one, navigational, is the user searches for a specific website. So, for example, they search for the Subaru website. Now, this is very vast and not that specific, so we're not going to want to look for navigational. The next one is informational. The user searches for information on a topic. What's a good car, as the example? So basically, this means that they're not yet ready to become a client, to become a customer. They're just wanting information on a certain topic or a certain product. And then we have commercial investigation. The user researches options for a product or service. For example, Subaru versus Nissan. So basically, they're comparing two different products or two different brands to see which one's better. So that basically means they're also not ready, but they're looking for the best product just in case if they want to buy. And then the final one is transactional. So this basically means that the user searches for a specific product or brand. For example, buy Subaru Forester. Now this is really specific, and with the word buy in it, it means that they're ready to become a new client or customer and they're ready to buy the product. So that is intent. Intent is basically the goal of that person. As you can see, it says the purpose of a search in a search engine. Now we have volume. So here it says this is the average number of monthly searches for a listed keyword over a 12-month period. So basically, this number right here is the average searches in a single month within 12 months. So in those 12 months, the average is 673,000. So the higher volume of a specific keyword there is, the better, because that is what people are searching for, and that means you will get more searches within a single month. On to the next detail, which is KD or keyword difficulty. This means that basically it shows you how hard it would be for a website to rank organically in the Google top 10 for a listed keyword. So that would mean if you search something up, for example, SEMrush, these are the top 10 things that are listed over here. That is how difficult it would be to appear in this search keyword over here. So for example, if you are one of the SEMrush websites or a website similar to it, it's going to be difficult because there is already a domain called SEMrush. But if you do type in keyword research, which isn't as specific as SEMrush, the difficulty might change. So let's go ahead and try to do that. And there you go. As you can see, the difficulty for SEMrush has spiked because it's no longer that specific. So what kind of keyword that SEMrush should go for is their own domain. As you can see, you have to scroll down a bit just to see the keyword magic tool for SEMrush. Now on to the next one, which is CPC, cost per click. So if we actually go ahead and search this up, for example, this phone keyword, if I search it up and then I find a sponsored website over here and tap on it, that is the CPC, the cost per click. If I tap on it, what that specific website is going to pay for is 4.56. So it's very self-explanatory. Every click is equal to the specific number written on here based on your keyword. And then there's SF, which is SERP features. This is basically any result on a search bar that is not a organic result. For example, like here, when I type phone, If we go ahead and scroll down, there's people also ask, there's websites like these, and if we go down even more, there's messages, and then there's also people also search for. So that is basically what SF means. It's those other clickable links that are not originally included in a search bar. So the more there are, the harder it is to find clients because they would be distracted by the number of buttons they can click. And lastly, we have updated, which is when this details or informations were last updated. So as you can see, most of them were just a week ago. And basically that means it's pretty updated and you can rely on these information. Now, how do we actually use SEMrush? For beginners, you're going to want to start with going to KD and then going to either very easy or easy. So let's simply tap on very easy. And here are the easy words that we can find. As you can see, they're all green. That means it's easy to rank up to the search bar. And also, it says it has a good volume. So naturally, we're going to want to add this to our list of keywords that we're going to want to add. So how do you do that? Simply tap on the plus button over here, and then you can go ahead and add it to your list. So now that we have items in our list, we're going to want to go to keyword gap. And here, basically what you're going to want to do is add your domain over here. So I'm just going to use the Semrush website, for example, semrush.com. And then you can add your competitors. If you don't know any of your competitors, or if you don't know if anyone else is competing in the same niche as you can go on ahead and tap on organic research and then type your domain over here. Once again, semrush.com. And if we go ahead and search, and then at the bottom, it's going to show the main organic competitors. So you can go ahead and copy these and then simply paste them onto your keyword gap. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap on compare, and then it's going to compare all of the keywords that we have, all of the keywords that we share. And this is actually a good way of finding more keywords to add to your list. So you're going to want to tap on missing. And basically this means that these are all the missing keywords that are related to you and your competitor, but you don't have them to your website. So as you can see in SEMrush, we have 0 of these, but in the similar web one, there are a few keywords that they use. So naturally, we're going to want to copy that just to be a bit more competitive and place on top with a similar niche. So yeah, that's pretty much all I can tell you about semrush.com. Once again, it's an all-in-one digital marketing tool that can help users with their SEO, PPC, content marketing, and their competitive research. SEMrush offers insight to their keyword rankings, website traffic, strategies, and enables users to optimize their online presence and improve search engine performance. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.